Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with the language selection screen at the very beginning. So tap on a language right here and find your desired language by simply just tapping on it. Choose start, and then we have the option to insert our SIM card. Now, I'm not planning to do it right now, so I'm just gonna skip it. Then we have Wi-Fi connection, so you can connect to Wi-Fi if you have one. You can also skip it if you want to. By skipping it, we do lose out two things. So number one, date and time won't be set automatically. So that means that it might sometimes be incorrect if you don't fix it. And number two, we won't have the option to log into our Google account, at least not throughout the setup. Now, all the things can be changed later on after the setup is complete. So all we need to do is just go into these settings. So I'm gonna skip this. And then there's the date and time. So you can correct it if it's incorrect, or leave it as it is if it's correct. Then we have Google services. So we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now you can read exactly what these do by tapping on a drop down. If you don't like them, disable it, and then go all the way down and tap on accept. And here we have the option to set up some kind of screen lock on our device. So we tap on next. It will automatically force us to, I guess, set up a fingerprint. But no matter what you choose right here, you can go with a PIN, pattern, or password. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So if you don't want to set up a fingerprint, you don't actually have to. And I have selected a fingerprint and pattern, so you will see what I mean in a second, that you don't have to set it up. Now, before we get there, we do have this secure startup. I would discourage you from setting it up. It's just a more of a annoying feature rather than anything that will help out anybody. What this does is, if you have some kind of screen lock, for me I will have a pattern. So if the device turns off completely and I will turn it back on, before it boots up fully, it will pop up with a confirmation or confirm pattern. I'll have to do that, obviously, and then it will boot up fully to the actual Android, where I will still be on a lock screen, so I'll have to confirm my pattern once more, which just kind of defeats the purpose. So I'm just gonna go with a no, and from here, let's draw my pattern. Next, redraw the pattern, confirm, and that will automatically set it up. And if I don't want to add my fingerprint, I can just simply skip it from here. Wireless update. So I guess we do have to agree to privacy policy and stuff like that. So select both of those, accept and continue, and enroll face. So it looks like we have face recognition here, but I'm gonna skip it. I don't really feel like doing it, so skip. And that finishes up the setup. So if you found it very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.